Let's go to the market. Let's go to the market. He is cleaning the table. He is cleaning the table. Can I borrow your pen? Can I borrow your pen? She is opening her lunchbox. She is opening her lunchbox. The weather is cold today. The weather is cold today. I'm getting ready for school. I'm getting ready for school. The road is very busy today. The road is very busy today. She is doing her project work. She is doing her project work. The teacher is writing on the board. The teacher is writing on the board. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. We are eating dinner together. We are eating dinner together. We are playing in the park. We are playing in the park. He is my best friend. He is my best friend. My shoes are dirty. My shoes are dirty. Don't be late for school. Don't be late for school. Please stand in a line. Please stand in a line. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. I need to charge my phone. I need to charge my phone. I like to play indoor games. I like to play indoor games. We are watching a cartoon movie. We are watching a cartoon movie. He is fixing his bicycle. He is fixing his bicycle. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more English videos.